So check it out. I'm not much of a clockwork guy, but I did find this little 198 on eBay and thought I'd see if I could get it to run. And it was missing the rear awning, I guess you would call it, back here. So I cut a piece of styrene and I sanded it in there and cleaned it up, and then I painted it over flat black to make it all blend in. And I put a little armor all over the whole thing and get it all nice and cleaned up the mechanism and oiled it. And so we're going to take it for a spin. It runs at ludicrous speed, so we'll hang on to your hats. Here we go. And away it goes. See if we can follow it around the camera. Oh my goodness. We're going to put the camera down, catch it as it comes around. And I think it's got one more lap left in it. All right, came right back to the where we started, which worked out nicely, so I didn't have to walk back there and grab it. So anyway, we'll back it up here so we can take one last look at it. So these are a lot of fun. No matter what it is, if it's Marx, I'll run it. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.